Alright, welcome to Quasi's garage and list of never-ending tasks. I haven't been riding much lately because of my injury. I'm still healing from that, trying to get back to whatever normal is. But in the meanwhile, I can work on the bikes, right? I've always got bikes waiting to be repaired from my adventures. There's the PCX waiting patiently, and I will get to that very soon. I've got all the plastics to fix my boo-boos from the Cannonball. There's one boo-boo. Here's another giant boo-boo. My fantastic Gorilla Tape fix. So yeah, I got all the white plastics. One of my channel subscribers, very generous man, not only bought those for me, but he brought them out to my house, dropped them off. What a guy, what a guy. So the 500X is undergoing some surgery to fix the crunchy driveline noise that I noticed about a year and a half or so ago on its last road trip up to Arkansas, Missouri, and all that. I noticed, just a few hundred miles into the trip, that at low throttle or low speed acceleration from a stop, first and second gear, I could hear what sounded like kind of an ice crusher sound, a real chattery noise. So I'm hitting that problem with a sledgehammer. Pulled the front and rear wheels off. I'm getting new bearings and dust seals put in there. A total of 3 for the rear wheel. You got the 2 wheel bearings on each side, and then the sprocket carrier has a bearing and an oil seal. I've already checked my swing arm pivot because I'm noticing a little bit of wavering on the road in a straight line. It feels like I'm going over pavement seams, but there are none. So that's why I'm going after the wheel bearings first. It's 10 years old with 21,000 miles on it, so might as well start with some fresh wheel bearings. But anyway, pivot bolt is good and tight, so that's not slack. I might pull everything off of there and check it out, but it's time for a full going through. It's going to get the valve maintenance done. Radiator flush, all the goodies, preventative maintenance stuff that was due at 16,000 miles that I didn't do. Front forks are going to come off of it. I'll flush and refill those. I have cracking dust boots on here. The forks aren't leaking yet, but the dust boots are getting weathered and cracking. I don't know if that comes out on camera. So yeah, it's time for a full teardown. Oh yeah, and I've got to fix my floppy ear here. Somebody broke my signal. They mashed against it in a parking lot, I guess, and broke the backer. So I have to pull the entire nose off of the bike in order to get to this silly little backing plate in there and replace it. It's going to be a full teardown of the bike, so I'll probably do a series on that. And yeah, I'll catch you all later.